Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick product review today. Out here fixing the tail light here. The pin rotted away inside the connector on the tail light, and also here on the pigtail. So I'm putting a new pigtail on, also a new light, and just thought it'd be a good opportunity here to talk about these butt connectors I've been using. I don't see a lot of people using them, and I kind of feel like they should, because they're kind of a great product. It's these solder heat shrink butt connectors. They work the same as a traditional butt connector, and they're heat shrink, except for instead of crimping them, you just heat this center section here with a torch, where that silver ring is there in the middle, and it solders the wires together. Every time I've been fixing any wires here, I've been switching over to these, and I really like them. I've not had one come loose or come apart or anything yet. And they're a more pliable plastic here. They shrink down nicer. They don't need as much heat to shrink, and you know, solder is always going to be stronger than crimping here. Basically, you're kind of welding the wire together. So and they're way less expensive than your heat shrink butt connectors. I got this whole package here. I think there's 375 in here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes, and I think I was in it for about 25 bucks. So that's pretty economical also. And I'm just showing you here how to use them quick, because I'm doing this anyway. Show you how easy it is, and kind of how strong they are. Okay, what you want to do here is just slide your connector on. Take the 2 wires, put them together. You're supposed to just mash them together, but they don't stay, so I just kind of put a little twist on them there. Slide the connector over so that your solder is right in the joint there of the 2 wires. You have a little micro torch, that's handy. Otherwise, you don't need anything this hot really. Even a cigarette lighter will do, or even a candle. And like I said, these don't take a lot of heat, so kind of keep your torch moving so you don't burn a hole through the plastic. Then you'll see when the solder goes. Yep, there it goes right there. Okay. Then you shrink the ends here. I was going to use a cigarette lighter, but it's so windy out today it kept blowing it out, so I'm going to use this little torch. I burnt just a little bit. It's okay. There. So it's all together. It takes a minute or so for that plastic to dry, but when it does, you could take and pull on this, and you'll see just how strong it is. It don't budge or nothing. Unlike a butt connector, traditional one, the crimp style, or if you pull hard enough, it will come apart. You can pull pretty darn hard on this thing, and it will not come apart. So that's really nice, and it shrinks down nice and you know, weatherproof. The salt is what caused this. Salt got in there and ate these connections out. So you know, it happens, wintertime and all that. So I had already done the other 2 here. Well, here, these are dry. You pull on one here, sucker won't come apart. I'm pulling pretty good. So just thought I'd show you that. I don't see a lot of people using these, and in my opinion, they should be a little more popular. I don't know, pretty happy with them. Like I said, I got them online. $25, I think, for 375. They have kits all the way up to 500 some pieces. And I think they also have ring terminal connectors. I'm going to get me some of them too, because I like these. So anyway, thought you might find that interesting.